Well, partner, I have found the wettest, wildest corner of the Wild West. And no, I'm not talking about a cowboy's bath time. The fine folks at Westgate River Ranch Resort and Rodeo decided to unleash me onto their brand new River Country Water Park, which is now open and ready to soak every ounce of dignity you thought you had. And let me just say, if you thought the Wild West was just dust, boots, and cow patties, well, think again. This water park is like if a tropical island and a rodeo had a baby, and that baby had a splash pad and a really great snack bar. Now, if you're not familiar, Westgate River Ranch is this incredible, authentic dude ranch in Lake Wales, Florida, where you can ride horses, shoot arrows, ride airboats, and now get your hair frizzed out by gallons of chlorinated joy. And I've got more videos on this channel from my stay, so go ahead and check those out after you finish soaking up this aquatic masterpiece. So, let's dive in. First, the slides. Now, I don't know what kind of sorcery they used to build these things, but one of the slides at River Country made me feel like I had been time warped into the 1970s disco era. I mean, no joke. Mid-slide, I was channeling the Bee Gees, shimmying my way through a neon tunnel of funk. I came out of the bottom of that slide singing "Stayin' Alive" with a wedgie so powerful it could have qualified as a chiropractic adjustment. 10 out of 10 would slide again. And the pool. The temperature is so perfectly calibrated, you'd swear it was set by NASA. And then, chef's kiss. They've got these lounge chairs mounted in the shallow end, so you can sit in sun-kissed bliss while water gently laps around you like you're a Roman emperor on vacation in Margaritaville. Hydrated and fried. Just how I like it. Now, let's talk cabanas. These aren't your average, we found a tarp and stuck a lawn chair under it cabanas. No. These are luxury huts of happiness. They're spacious, well-shaded, and even come with their own TVs. Because nothing says vacation like floating in a pool while Uncle Rick refuses to miss a single inning of the game. There's comfy seating, fans, and enough outlets to charge every device you forgot to leave at home. It's basically glamping, but for water people. And if you've got little cowpokes in tow, the splash pad is a water wonderland. Mini slides, sprayers, fountains, all carefully designed to make kids lose their little minds in the best way possible. I saw one toddler doing victory laps around a water cannon like he had just conquered the Pacific. It's safe, colorful, and has enough action to exhaust them right before nap time. So, parenting wins. Now, if all that sliding, lounging, and water jousting, yes, I invented that word, works up an appetite, head over to the barn, which is either a bar in a barn or a barn that decided to go to culinary school. Either way, the food is solid, the drinks are cold, and the staff is friendlier than a golden retriever on payday. So let me just say this. River Country Water Park at Westgate River Ranch isn't just a splash zone. It's a full-on aquatic adventure wrapped in rodeo vibes. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a chill seeker, or a parent just looking for 20 minutes of peace while your kid is distracted by a plastic bucket of water, this place has something for you. Now remember, I've got more videos from my stay here at Westgate River Ranch Resort, so definitely check those out to see more. And if you want to know more about how to book your stay, head over to Westgate River Ranch Resort and Rodeo website. That's a mouthful. And start planning your epic water-drenched cowboy getaway. And as always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. Have you been to River Country yet? Planning a trip? Or do you just want to hear more about my Bee Gees slide moment? Either way, stay wet, stay weird, and I'll see you at the ranch.